Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new lesson 8. It is human environment interactions, the tropical and subtropical region. Human environment, you know very well about human environment. There is a natural environment, and when the natural environment is modified, they becomes human environment. According to our requirement, we modify the environment, and it is known as human environment. We human beings live on earth, and the shape of the earth, the height and the altitude, the plain, the desert, some areas are very cold. According to climatic condition, the clothing of the people and the food habit, these all things are differ. The people who live in desert, they are wearing, and the people who are living in plain area, the people who are living in tropical area, subtropical area, and in polar region, the Greenland area, they are look differ by wearing, by eating, by color, everything is differ from place to place. Here we are going to discuss about the tropical and subtropical region. On earth we live, the area, the line which divides our earth into two equal half, it is equator 0 degree, from equator to 10 degree north and 10 degree south. It is a tropical area. In tropical area, there is a Congo basin, Zaire basin in Africa, and Amazon basin in South America, about which we are going to discuss. As you know that near the equator, or the area which lies on equator, it receives direct sun rays, and that is why this is the hottest area of the earth. This is not only hottest area, but also there is a much moisture in the atmosphere. Much humidity is there. That is why there is a rainfall every day. There in night and day, much moisture is there, and in daytime, anytime rain occurs, and it receives rain every day. That is why the river which flow from this area, they are perennial. they contain water all over the year, like Congo River in Zaire, in Congo Basin. Congo River is there in Africa, and also about which we are going to study, it is Amazon Basin. That Amazon River is also originated from the equatorial area. That is why it is also perennial river, and the area near the equator, it receives much rain. That is why in this area dense forests are found, and dense forest, they are evergreen forest, and very high, very tall trees are there, and due to dense forest, the sunshine, the rays of sun do not reaches to the earth. They make canopy which do not allow the sun rays to enter beneath the surface, earth surface. About this area, we are going to study Amazon Basin, which lies in South America. It has many tributaries. Many tributaries means what are tributaries? They are small stream of water. They join the main water stream of the Amazon River. In India also many tributaries are there of Ganga, of Brahmaputra, and also like Yamuna, Saraswati. They all meet in river Ganga at Devprayag or Prayagraj. In this way, the river which meet the main river, they are called tributaries, and when these big river, they submerges in any large water bodies, they may submerge in lake or in sea or in ocean. At that time, many stream becomes distributed from the one stream. They are called distributaries. We are discuss about Amazon Basin, about their climatic condition, and also about the type of animal found, the people, their occupation, their agriculture in next.